Now that we've learned about why flowers smell good and bad, we're going to make our own sweet-smelling flowers. What materials are we going to need to make these cool flowers today?
A large container, Kool-Aid with no sugar, tape, and coffee filter.
How many coffee filters do we need?
You need 3.
3 coffee filters. Okay, let's go ahead and mix the Kool-Aid up into the containers, and then we'll go ahead and get started. Now that we have our water mixed with our Kool-Aid packets, we're going to go ahead and get started. Stack your 3 coffee filters on top of each other. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to fold them in half and make it look like a taco. Okay, show us your taco. Okay, now, after you have a taco, you're going to fold it again and make it look like a piece of pizza. Okay, let's see the pizza. Okay, now it looks like a pizza. Now this next part's a little bit tricky. We're going to make it look like a round ice cream cone. So go ahead and take the one side and kind of curl it, but a nice big loose curl. Match the one side to the other side so it looks like an ice cream cone. Okay, so it looks like an ice cream cone. Now we're going to use the tape and tape the bottom tip to tape it together. I'm going to take over and help for a little bit here. So separate each of those coffee filters away from each other so that you're making more petals of your flower. Now remember, no flower looks exactly the same, so it doesn't matter what it looks like. Just keep separating until you're happy with the look of your flower. So it looks kind of something like this or this. Your ice cream cone should look something like this, taped at the bottom. Now the next part is a little bit tricky, and you may need to get someone to help you get started, because does it look like a flower right now?
Nope.
Okay, so we're going to spread out each of those coffee filters to make it more flower-like. Okay, so go ahead and start separating the coffee filters with your hand. As you can see, each of our flowers we made is just a little bit different. What I want you to do now is make your own cool flower out of Kool-Aid and coffee filters, and go ahead and post them in the comments. Let's make a beautiful virtual flower bouquet.